Good morning, everyone. I am CG Sudarshan, register number 2020509043 from Department of Mechanical Engineering in Madras Institute of Technology, Anna University, Chennai. And this video is a part of industrial training or internship course within the curriculum. Subject code is MA5513. So in this video, we are going to see different types of machine that I have observed, its specifications, its price, make, and many other parameters. So the first one we are going to see is the OD grinding machine. Here OD stands for outside grinding machine. Uh, the name of the company producing this machine is Polygon Grinding Machine Company, Polygon, and the price is 17,000 in Indian currency. So the brand is Fortuna. Fortuna is a German-based company manufacturing grinding machines, and grinding wheel diameter is about 500 mm. So that is actually a very big. That is actually big in size compared to other wheel diameters, and the spindle speed is about 250 to 6000 rpm. So with this 6000 rpm, we can actually get a very good surface finish for the components that we grind using this OD grinding machine. And the center height is 240 mm. So center height is the height between the center of the workpiece that we are going to attach, or the spindle, to the ground or the bed. So that is about 240 mm height, and the distance between the centers is 1000 mm, which means that we cannot manufacture or grind components that are longer than 100 centimeters in length. Some of the cylindrical shaft or bar stocks are actually greater than 100 centimeters. Those cannot be grinded using this machine. And the make is Fortuna, German-based company, and the center is 240 mm. So we'll go to the next machine. So the next one is the ID grinding machine. Yeah, ID stands for internal diameter or inner diameter. We can indeed use many types of methods for removing inner diameter, like broaching, but here grinding was used, and the enterprise's name is Prayosha Enterprise, and it's a CNC machine, C4X600 CNC profile grinding machine. Brand is Prayosha Enterprise, and the maximum grinding length can be varied according to the type of machine that we are going to choose. So 600, 800, 1000, 1250 or 1500 mm length can be chosen according to our application. And the layout is horizontal. So as you can see, this horizontal layout, it is not vertical. And then the wheel surface speed is about 35 or 45 meters per second. This is also indeed high RPM for internal grinding. And the model number is C4X600. Center height is 150 bar, 200 bar, and 300 mm. So 300 mm, it's actually higher than that of what we saw in the OD grinding machine. So we'll go to the next machine. The next one is the centerless grinding machine. Centerless grinding is a special type of grinding used for only some of the engineering applications. This one must be very costly. CNC, this is also a CNC type of centerless grinding machine. Price is 35 lakhs. And the regulatory wheel diameter, the grinding wheel that you are going to use, we can actually use 3 grinding wheels to support one component. Usually plungers in diesel pumps are made using centerless grinding, and we get a very good surface finish. And the regulatory wheel diameter is 230 mm to 300 mm, and regulatory wheel width, that is the width of the grinding wheel, that is about 25 to 300 mm. And regulatory wheel bore for fitting that wheel, that is to be 76.20 mm to 127 mm, and wheel speed range can be 0 to 200 mm. So we cannot consistently sustain high RPM in this kind of machine, as only the grinding wheels are providing grip to the workpiece. So only about 200 RPM can be achieved in this machine. And the power, that is the regulatory wheel motor power, is about 0.75 kilowatts to 3.7 kilowatts. So these three are the 3 types of grinding machine that was observed in the industrial internship program. So thank you all for your time. Thank you.